Hi, here's a quick video of Unit 16. We just finished remodeling. I haven't had the cleaners in yet, but a lot of people are interested in seeing it. This is a top floor corner unit. It comes with parking, and it's $23.95. And it'll be ready to rent for the 1st. So it has new stone countertops in the kitchen and the bathroom. New sink. We have a sprayer. Kitchen window out to the courtyard. Gas range. It's about 625 square feet. So you've got the kitchen there in the corner, the dining area with the new fan, living room window, AC in the living room and the bedroom. In the living room there's a large closet that goes back for about a mile. Great for luggage. It's got a pocket door to block off the bedroom, which also has a new fan. AC in the bedroom. The bathroom has the new countertops like the kitchen. New toilet. New glass door on the tub, and storage also in the bathroom. Any questions, give me a ring. My name's KT, 818-714-7247.